Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your do not disturb mode not working as expected on your iPhone? Let's fix that together with a few simple steps. Let's get started. The first step is to check do not disturb setting. Head over to your setting app and go to focus. Ensure manual or scheduled is toggled on. If using scheduled, confirm the start and end time are correct. Next step is to verify focus mode setting. If you are using iOS 15 or later, do not disturb is part of focus modes. Go to setting, then focus, then do not disturb. Make sure it's set correctly, including allowed notification. The next step is to check silent switch and volume. Ensure your silent switch, which is above the volume button, is toggled on and showing orange. Make sure your volume is not muted. Another step is to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button until the slider appears. Slide to power off and then wait a few seconds. Then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. Another step is to update your software. Outdated software might cause issue. Go to Setting, General, and then click on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. You can also reset all settings. Go to Setting, General, then click on Reset. Reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset settings like Wi-Fi, password, and wallpapers. Confirm and enter your passcode if necessary. Also, some apps may have permission to bypass do not disturb. Go to setting, then notification, and check each app setting to see if it has been allowed to bypass do not disturb. Also ensure no other focus mode are conflicting with do not disturb. Go to setting and then go to focus and review all active modes. If none of these steps work, it might be a deeper issue. Reach out to the Apple support or visit an Apple store for assistance. And that's it guys. These steps should help you get do not disturb working properly on your iPhone. If you still encounter issues, don't hesitate to contact Apple support for more help. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment and share, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.